Mops don't do the job. They're messy, flimsy, push dirt around, and the worst part, whether it's a string mop or a disposable, you have to touch them with your hands. Well, get ready for a breakthrough in floor cleaning because there's a new mop in town. It's called the Hurricane In and Out Mop.
Wow, look at how clean.
I love the bucket. I like that you can wash it and then dry it. I like that it's so light. I like that it swivels.
On a scale of 1 to 10, this is easily a 12. It's amazing.
You just simply put it in that tub, push it up and down a couple times, and it's done. How long did that take? 10 seconds?
This is so great. This makes every other mop look pathetic. I gotta keep it real.
I have used many, many mops in many, many years of my life. This is the first one that I love.
I want one at home today.
It picks up practically everything quick and easy. With its lightweight new In and Out bucket, you'll get the mess off the pad and into the bucket in no time. This revolution in floor care uses self-cleaning Waterfall Technology. It's so great, it got the attention of the two men that have mopped up more messes than anyone in the world. Get ready to meet the Sullivan brothers.
Hi, I'm Anthony Sullivan.
And I'm Mike Sullivan.
And I'm super excited to be here today with my little brother, Michael. Together, over the last 25 years, we've sold more mops in more countries than anyone else in the world. We are literally
the kings of mopping.
And today, we've teamed up because we've uncovered the ultimate floor cleaning system.
Now, we don't agree on much, but both of us agree this is the best mop ever invented.
This incredible mop is called the Hurricane In and Out Mop. Let's start off with a liquid spill. Something easy. A can of soda, some coffee, tea, wine. The kids come over and spill juice everywhere. You get a nervous puppy dog. First of all, the In and Out Mop is made of microfiber. It's super, super absorbent. It'll pick up all kinds of spills quick and easy on all kinds of surfaces. And you have that swiveling head, which makes it quick and easy. I'll flip it over, and you'll see the mess right there on the pad. Now, up until now, you'd have to peel this off. It's disgusting. You'd have to touch it with your hands. Watch this. This is the in and out difference. This incredible bucket has two chambers, a washer side and a dryer side. I'm gonna put it in the washer side. It's gonna go in dirty, and watch this. It's gonna come out clean. But it gets even better. I got a clean mop pad now, but the in and out bucket has a dryer side. Put it over to the dryer side, and it uses Waterfall Technology. One push, you can see it rinses the water out of the pad, so you got a nice clean pad and a clean floor. That is the in and out difference.
As you know, I'm a little bit of a chocolate holic. Here we have some chocolate milk, some chocolate syrup. To make matters worse, here's some hot chocolate powder. So we have a dry mess, we have a wet mess, and we have a sticky mess. Now, just like my brother said, this mop is made from a material called microfiber. Now, if you've ever used microfiber before for cleaning, you know as well as I do on how good it is. It leaves no streak marks or smear marks whatsoever on any surface. Now, the best part is, once you're done cleaning, look at this. Pick the mop up, there's your mess. It doesn't drip. It holds that mess inside the mop pad. Now, to get it clean, all you gotta do is take it over to the amazing In and Out bucket. This is a game changer. All you gotta do is place the mop in the washer side. Simply push down, and you can see how it releases all that chocolate sauce, chocolate powder, chocolate milk. You then just take it out of the washer side, you place it in the dryer side. With the Waterfall Technology, this is how you dry the mop. Now, I got a clean mop, I got a clean floor, and my hands never touch that dirty, disgusting mop water.
The best feature is saving your hands, not having to wring out mops, and additionally drying them off. I think it's awesome. I mean, if you have to mop, you want to use this.
If you think that's good, check this out. I'm gonna show you how the In and Out Mop can cut your cleaning time in half. Watch this. I'll put a little bit of ketchup down on the floor. Then we'll add a little bit of mustard just for good measure, and how about a little bit of coffee? What a mess. Now, normally, you have to sweep and you have to vacuum before you mop. But with a mess like this, you end up crawling around on your hands and knees with paper towels. Look at this. No need to sweep, no need to vacuum. The In and Out Mop literally will cut your cleaning time in half. I'll turn this over, no paper towels, and the best part is my hands will never touch this mess. I take it over to the incredible In and Out bucket. All I do is one push into the washer side. You can see the mustard, the coffee, the ketchup coming right off the pad. The more I push it, the cleaner it gets. Once it's clean, I take it out, put it in the dryer side, one push, and with a Waterfall Technology, you can see that pad comes out clean.
One of my favorite features of the In and Out bucket is you can control how wet or how dry the mop head is. Now let's talk about water-sensitive surfaces like wood. You don't want to use a wet mop on a wood floor. Whether you have cherry, oak, walnut, or pine, the microfiber will leave no streak marks or smear marks whatsoever. Take it over here, look at this. If you have messy kids, crayon marks, no problem whatsoever. If you have dogs, paw prints on your wood floors, the microfiber will clean it off. If you've got those stubborn scuff marks, watch this. Just apply a little bit more pressure and you can easily remove those stubborn scuff marks. Now for dust, it's a must. Watch this. Just one pass and the In and Out mop gets it all. Now all the dust sticks to the mop like a magnet. Now, how do you get this clean? It's simple. Take it over to the In and Out bucket, just simply push down, all that dust, all that dirt gets pushed out, right out of the mop, right into the bucket where it belongs. You then take it out of the washer side, place it in the dryer side, again push down, there's that Waterfall Technology. Remember, the more you pump, the drier the mop pad gets. So for wood floors or water-sensitive surfaces, the In and Out mop, it's the best.
We just had wood floors put in our house, and I don't like to get them real wet. So I can put this in up and down, and make it very dry. It's great that I can control the amount of moisture that goes onto the mop head.
The In and Out Mop is lightweight and easy to use. It weighs just over a pound, and it'll pick up all kinds of messes on all kinds of surfaces. Whether you're picking up muddy footprints on travertine, or you got to clean up after the dogs on an expensive surface like marble, it makes it quick and easy. Even if you've got to make an old dingy floor look like new, you can depend on the power of the In and Out Mop. Look at this. This is the power of microfiber. Let me do this one more time. The secret here is short strokes. It breaks down the grease, breaks down the grime, all that grungy old dirt is absorbed into the microfiber. Now let me show you how easy it is to clean. There's the mess right there on the pad. Normally you have to peel this off, you gotta put it in the washing machine. Well, not anymore. Watch this. One dunk into the In and Out bucket, into the washer side, and look how it comes out clean. The more you push it, the cleaner it gets. And then you want to rinse it dry, just put it into the dryer side, one push, two pushes, using that Waterfall Technology, you got a clean mop. Even on sticky messes, there's nothing like the In and Out Mop. I'll get rid of this sticky peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Look at this. On a kitchen tile floor with grout, the jelly's picked up, and even sticky peanut butter is no problem. It cleans the tile and the grout. I'll flip this over. You can see the mess stuck right there to the mop. And just like I did before, a few dunks into the In and Out bucket. It goes in dirty and it comes out clean. One dunk into the dryer side, you got a nice clean mop head. My hands never touch the mess.
I'm a firm believer in this product because the bucket is designed for the wash side and then the dry side. It's perfect, it's quick, it's easy, it's light, it doesn't hurt your back, it maneuvers around. It's a great technology. I wish I would have invented this product.